What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how can you enable portable hotspot on your iPhone. So by default when you set up a new iPhone it is turned off by default, so you have to turn it on manually. So all you have to do is go to settings and go to cellular. You will find it cellular, and then go to cellular data network. Now scroll to the bottom, at the bottom, and you will see personal hotspot option. So you need to set an APN for this for the first time. So click on APN and give it a name, any name you want. Like I would use my own name. Okay, just for the showcase purpose. So then give a username, and then after the username give a password. After setting the password, go back to cellular option. Here you will see a new option, personal hotspot. You can see at the third option. Yeah, so it's turned off now. If you turn on allow others to join, then you will enable the hotspot and you can see the default password. So click on allow others to join, and then others can join your portable hotspot, and you can change the password from here. I will keep it as like this for now. So in this way you can easily turn on your portable hotspot. So if I go back to the home screen and then go to settings, now you can see personal hotspot option in the fifth option, I guess. Yeah, so if you turn on cellular data, then you will have the option to go inside, but if you turn off cellular data, you can't go inside. It will be invisible, like disabled. So in this way you can enable your portable hotspot on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.